Want to buy a new domain from Hostinger? In this guide, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. On the home page, click on Domains, and then click on Get a new domain. Enter the desired domain name and click on the search button. Hostinger will display available options. If you find one you like, click on the Buy Now button. Next, you'll be asked to choose your billing period with varying prices. Pick the option that suits you best. If you have a coupon code, you can enter it here to get a discount. If you want to get a discount on Hostinger, use my affiliate link in the description for an exclusive discount on Hostinger. Otherwise, move on to the payment section, where you can choose to pay via PayPal, debit or credit card, or Google Pay. You may also have other payment options available. Once your payment is successful, click on Continue, and you'll be directed to the domain registration page. Simply click on the Finish Registration button. This may take a few moments, and once everything is set, click Continue to start using your new domain. Lastly, verify your email to complete your domain registration. That's it. Your new domain is ready to go. And if this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.